Hello there, and welcome to the tutorial on how to document your C# projects with Frumle. So as we can see here, I have a mini .NET project that I created, and we're going to document this project using Frumle. So the first step we need to do is to go to your Frumle dashboard. When you are in your Frumle dashboard, the next thing you do is to create a project. Once you create a project, you click on the language, and in this case, we click on C# and then click on Next. So as you can see here, this is the installation code. I'm going to copy this and paste it in the text editor. I'm going to paste it here and press enter. Okay, so Frumle has now been installed successfully. Now I'd go back to my dashboard and then click on Next. After that, I would add the API keys. So copy this, come here and then paste it. Once I do this, this would make the code base connect directly to the dashboard. So once this is connected, the next step is to come back to your Frumle dashboard, click on Next, and then copy the code analyzing command. After that, I'll go back to my .NET project and then paste it and run it. Once I run this, it shows us some information telling us what's going on and that it's not going to be available shortly on our dashboard. So we'd come back when the project has been analyzed. As you can see here now, the .NET project has appeared on our dashboard. It has 7 files and 14 endpoints. So let's get into it and see the documentation. So click on this, you can see that it has successfully documented the .NET project with all the endpoints available here. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.